a saw and hammer or a credit card and build or buy nest boxes. At least 35 species frequently use man-made structures for nesting. For best results, the structure should be designed for the targeted species. For example, the eastern phoebe won't go inside a box, but welcomes a simple sheltered platform. Put it on the back porch if you want company while reading the morning paper in spring. For those who want lots of company, there are purple martins. Man has welcomed martins since Indians put up nesting boards around their stored meat so the birds could help control flies. A few families can be attracted with very little effort, but an apartment complex like this takes some doing. Oversized boxes appeal to wood ducks, kestrels, and screech owls. These house cats with wings aren't always popular with everybody, but the screech owl has his own enemies too, such as bigger owls. Sometimes bird boxes are used year-round for roosting. One of the conservation phenomena of recent decades has been the surge in winter bird feeding.